20 chocolate English names. Dairy Milk Chocolate. Dairy Milk Chocolate. I like eating Dairy Milk Chocolate. Kitkat Chocolate. Kitkat Chocolate. Kitkat Chocolate is crunchy and tasty. 5-star Chocolate. 5-star Chocolate. 5-star Chocolate is very sweet. Munch Chocolate. Munch Chocolate. Munch Chocolate is light and crispy. Snickers Chocolate. Snickers Chocolate. Snickers Chocolate gives quick energy. Mars Chocolate. Mars Chocolate. Mars Chocolate tastes rich and sweet. Bounty Chocolate. Bounty Chocolate. Bounty Chocolate has coconut flavor. Silk Chocolate. Silk Chocolate. Silk Chocolate is smooth and creamy. Milkybar Chocolate. Milkybar Chocolate. Milkybar Chocolate is made with milk. Toblerone Chocolate. Toblerone Chocolate. Toblerone Chocolate has a unique shape. Ferrero Rocher Chocolate. Ferrero Rocher Chocolate. Ferrero Rocher Chocolate looks very premium. Gems Chocolate. Gems Chocolate. Gems Chocolate is colorful and fun. Temptation Chocolate. Temptation Chocolate. Temptation Chocolate tastes delicious. Crispello Chocolate. Crispello Chocolate. Crispello Chocolate is soft and crispy. Luvit Chocolate. Luvit Chocolate. Luvit Chocolate is good for sharing. Galaxy Chocolate. Galaxy Chocolate. Galaxy Chocolate is very smooth. Amul Chocolate. Amul Chocolate. Amul Chocolate is famous in India. Kinder Joy Chocolate. Kinder Joy Chocolate. Kinder Joy Chocolate is fun and tasty for kids. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.